Did you know that over 68% of common gear malfunctions are caused by improper maintenance and terrible storage habits? You might think your equipment is completely safe sitting in the closet, but hidden rust and microscopic carbon buildup are slowly destroying your favorite pieces right now. Just one humid afternoon can ruin a perfectly good barrel if you do not know exactly what to look for. You do not need to be an expert to make your life at the range a whole lot easier. Let us dive right into these brilliant ideas you will wish you knew about years ago. Number 15. Zip-tied chamber flags. Range officers are completely strict about safety rules, and they always want to see that your gear is completely clear when you step away from the bench. Standard safety flags get lost constantly in the tall grass, or they cost way too much money for a simple piece of molded plastic. You can fix this problem instantly by buying a massive pack of thick, bright neon zip ties from the local hardware store. Just take one long neon zip tie and slide the tail end right into the open action and straight down into the barrel. Leave the square plastic head sticking out of the side. Everyone can instantly see that the action is blocked and totally safe. They cost a few pennies each, so if you accidentally lose one, you will not care at all. You can keep a big handful in your range bag and hand them out to friends. Number 14. Masking tape target saver. Buying large paper silhouettes every single time you go out to practice adds up extremely quickly. You shoot a really tight group, poke a huge hole right in the middle, and suddenly that expensive piece of paper is ruined and headed straight for the trash can. Instead of throwing your money away, grab a cheap roll of plain masking tape from your kitchen junk drawer. Just tear off tiny square pieces and stick them directly over your fresh bullet holes. You instantly reset the paper target, and you get to shoot it all over again with a clean slate. One single silhouette can easily last you an entire afternoon of heavy practice. This simple trick alone saves enough cash over a single month to buy another big box of practice ammo. Number 13. Shower cap optic cover. Glass is incredibly fragile, and high-quality red dots and magnified scopes cost an absolute fortune to replace. Leaving them completely exposed means they collect thick dust in the safe, or they get totally soaked during a rainy hunting trip in the wet woods. Next time you stay in a hotel, make sure you grab those free plastic shower caps right from the bathroom counter. The elastic band sewn into the edge of the cap is surprisingly stretchy and durable. You pull it tight over the front and back of your expensive scope. It acts as a perfect waterproof, dust-proof cover that grips the curved metal edges tightly. When you are finally ready to take your shot, you can just rip the thin plastic off in half a second without fumbling with stiff flip caps. Number 12. Baking soda moisture absorber. Rust is a completely silent killer that destroys expensive gear while you are not looking. Heavy humidity sneaks into your dark storage cabinets and silently attacks the bare metal while you sleep. Those fancy electronic dehumidifiers eventually break down, and the little silicone packet stops working after a few weeks. Instead of using baking soda, which actually only absorbs odors and can attract moisture directly to your metal, head down to the pet aisle and grab a cheap bag of crystal silica gel cat litter. Just pour a thick layer of those hard silica crystals into a shallow plastic container and set it right at the bottom shelf of your storage locker. These crystals act as a giant industrial sponge that aggressively pulls all the hidden moisture right out of the trapped air. It completely prevents surface rust from forming on your expensive metal finishes, and you get a massive lifetime supply for a fraction of the cost of gun-specific desiccants. Number 11. Nail polish sight paint. Standard black iron sights look really cool out of the box, but they easily disappear against dark backgrounds or in deep shadows. Trying to aim fast when everything blends together is incredibly frustrating, and it completely slows down your reaction time. You do not need to rush out and spend big money on glowing night sights right away. Just borrow some extremely bright nail polish from a family member. Take a cotton swab with some rubbing alcohol and clean the front sight completely to remove any slick oils. Then use the tiny brush to put a single dot of bright orange or neon green polish right on the top edge. The polish hardens into a tough, shiny dot that grabs the ambient light perfectly and naturally draws your eye. Number 10. Chalk on the grip. Long summer days bring out the heavy sweat, and wet hands ruin your accuracy. When your palms get dripping wet, those smooth polymer frames get incredibly slippery and hard to control. Your hand slides around, your grip breaks down, and your shots land everywhere except the bullseye. Regular lifting powder can actually turn into a slick, muddy paste when mixed with heavy sweat, so keep a small bottle of liquid chalk packed inside your daily range bag instead. Before you step up to shoot your next string of fire, squeeze a tiny drop onto your hands and rub your palms together. The alcohol base evaporates in seconds, leaving your hands completely bone dry with a perfect, even coating of grip powder. When you grab that frame, your hands will lock onto the hard plastic like super glue, no matter how humid it gets outside. Number 9. Cotton Swab Action Cleaner. Thick carbon buildup absolutely loves to hide in the tiny sliding rails and sharp interior corners of your equipment. Normal flat cleaning patches just push the loose dirty grease around, and big nylon brushes simply cannot reach deep enough into those extremely narrow tracks. Go straight to your bathroom cabinet and grab a huge handful of plastic cotton swabs. These little sticks are the exact perfect size to slide straight down the normal metal tracks without getting stuck. You dip one end in your favorite liquid cleaning solvent, scrub the narrow channels back and forth a few times, and then flip the stick over to use the soft dry end. The dry cotton totally soaks up all the dirty liquid and pulls the hidden carbon right out. Number 8. Dry Fire Penny Drill. Flinching or jerking the heavy trigger is the absolute number one reason people completely miss their important shots. The loud sudden noise and sharp recoil usually hide the physical mistake, so you do not even realize you are pushing the muzzle down right before the shot breaks. Use a single copper penny to fix your entire trigger pull for free. Make absolutely sure your chamber is completely empty and there is no live ammunition anywhere in the entire room. Balance the flat penny carefully on the top thin edge of your front sight. Slowly pull the trigger straight back. If the penny falls off when the firing pin clicks, you are aggressively jerking the weapon. Keep practicing this quiet drill until you can make the hammer drop while the penny stays perfectly still. If you are finding these clever tricks useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button for guns you can't live without so you never miss out on more practical advice. Number 7. Golf Tee Magazine Loader. Loading the last few stubborn rounds into a stiff, brand new magazine completely destroys your sensitive thumbs. Pushing directly against those extremely heavy steel springs can cause painful blisters, and it makes reloading at the bench incredibly slow and frustrating. If you are shooting a single-stack pistol or plinking all day with a .22 caliber, toss a simple wooden golf tee right into your pocket before you leave the house today. Instead of using the soft, sensitive meat of your thumb, use the flat, wide round top of the wooden golf tee to push down the plastic follower or the top round. The hard wood handles all the heavy upward pressure safely, letting you easily slide the next piece of brass right in without pinching your skin. It saves your fingers from taking a severe beating and speeds up your loading time significantly on those single stack and rimfire mags. Number 6. Shoe Organizer Mag Pouch. Heavy storage cabinets get completely cluttered incredibly fast when you buy new gear. Spare magazines always end up piled blindly in a dark bottom corner where they get mixed up, lost forever, or completely covered in a thick layer of dust. Buy a cheap over-the-door plastic shoe organizer with clear plastic pockets from any large department store. You can easily cut the soft fabric to the exact size you need and screw or glue it directly to the inside of your heavy safe drawer. Each clear pocket perfectly holds several magazines completely securely. Because the pockets are totally see-through, you can instantly find exactly what you are looking for without digging around in the dark. It magically uses the dead, empty vertical space on the back of the swinging door. Number 5. Fishing Line Bore Cleaner. Running a flimsy cleaning patch through a very long bore can be incredibly annoying and take way too much time. Solid metal cleaning rods are completely rigid and awkward to carry in a small bag, and commercial fabric pull strings can easily snap or get permanently stuck halfway down the dark tube. Make your own indestructible pull string using heavy-duty weed whacker string or thick ocean fishing line. Cut a piece much longer than your barrel. Take a lighter and carefully melt one sharp tip until it forms a small hard plastic ball. Take a soft cotton patch, poke a tiny hole exactly in the center, and thread the sharp end of the clear line right through. The melted ball catches the soft patch and pulls it perfectly tight as you drag it down the barrel. Number 4. Car Wax on Blued Steel. Older vintage pieces with beautiful, classic blued metal finishes attract greasy fingerprints like absolute crazy. The natural heavy oils and acidic salts from your bare skin will cause ugly permanent etching and deep rust spots if you do not wipe them down constantly with an oily rag. Grab a common tin of hard carnauba car wax right from your messy garage shelf. Use a very soft microfiber cloth to rub an extremely thin clear coat of the smooth wax directly onto the perfectly clean metal surface. Let it sit for a full minute until it gets hazy and cloudy, and then buff it out completely with a clean towel. The wax creates a hard, invisible protective shell over the fragile dark finish. It makes the solid metal completely waterproof and totally repels salty fingerprints. Number 3. Pill Bottle Ammo Carrier. You always need a reliable way to carry small, loose items without them loudly rattling around in your deep pockets, getting extremely dirty, or simply disappearing in the dark bottom of your heavy travel bag. Stop throwing away your empty orange plastic prescription pill bottles. Wash them out thoroughly with hot water and peel the sticky paper labels off completely. They are incredibly tough, totally drop-proof, and surprisingly water-resistant. They are the exact perfect size to hold a large handful of small rounds for a quick afternoon walk in the deep woods. You can also use them to safely store tiny spare circular batteries for your optics, soft hearing protection earplugs, or tiny metal wrenches that always seem to get lost. Number 2. Painter's Tape on Mags. Mixing up your cheap, dirty practice magazines with your highly reliable, expensive home defense magazines is a completely terrible idea that can cause huge problems. You absolutely need to know exactly what you are grabbing in a split instant without deeply thinking about it. Take a bright roll of blue or neon green painter's tape right from your home toolbox. Take a very thin strip and wrap it tightly and securely around the bottom flat base plate of all your dedicated practice gear. The bright tape peels off super cleanly without ever leaving the nasty, sticky, gooey residue behind like duct tape does. It gives you a highly bold, bright visual cue that instantly tells you which ones are completely safe to drop repeatedly in the wet mud during practice. Number 1. Paperclip Brass Catcher. Bending far over to pick up hot spent brass from the dirty hard ground is absolutely the worst part of any fun range trip. Commercial net catchers cost way too much hard money, and they are usually extremely bulky and very awkward to mount on your gear. You can easily build your own custom rigid catcher using a small mesh fabric laundry bag and a heavy-duty wire coat hanger from your closet. Flimsy paper clips will just collapse under recoil and bounce hot brass right back into your action, causing a massive jam. Instead, cut and bend the thick coat hanger wire into a tough, rigid square frame that keeps the top of the mesh bag pulled wide open. Bend a hook into the top of the wire to hang right over your side rail or flat optic mount. As the empty shot shells fly quickly out of the open ejection port, they drop straight through the rigid wire frame and right down into the soft bag instead of landing in the dirt. Make sure to subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without and click the video on your screen right now to see even more amazing tips.